Gup. Marty and Gup are flapping together. Ready? Ouch! Oh, I got the splash.
Oh, I didn't. I got the early part of it.
There you go. Put the I got the video, the whole show. All right, Papa Chew.
I love how you're strolling up the aisle.
Just smack my dog. All right. Oh, we're gonna get a running leap on this one. This may be the winning. This may be Tate's competition. Oh! All I get is water splashes the eye. All right, Kristen. You ready for Kristen and Barb? Don't break your neck. Okay.
We're rooting for you.
Your dog's rooting for you.
Marty wants to protect you from the water.
Marty, come here, buddy.
Come here.
Come here, Marty.